Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to add sticker on the Discord. So this is the latest feature on the Discord. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Discord. Simply you have to click on it and simply update your Discord mobile application from here. After that, go back and open your Discord again. So simply I search from it, and here you can see now you have to select any server. So let's suppose I select this, and here you will see tech, click on it, and here you will see different options including settings here. So simply you have to click on the settings, and here you will see a sticker option right here. So right now this feature is not working in my country, so you can easily find sticker option right here. Then click on it and browse it, where you have the stickers file or library, and import it on your Discord. So this is the simple way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, and just drop a comment, I will try to help you. Thank you.